Mazda introduced an updated version of its subcompact hatchback, the Mazda 2. With a fresh, stylish design and a reputation for offering a fun driving experience, this small car is not to be underestimated. In addition to its zippy performance, the Mazda 2 boasts commendable fuel efficiency and impressive safety ratings, making it an attractive option for those in search of a compact yet capable vehicle. Under the hood, the vehicle comes equipped with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, generating a modest 100 horsepower and 103 pound-feet of torque. This peppy engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, catering to drivers who still appreciate having a choice in how they engage with the car. Fuel economy is a strong suit, with an estimated 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. As for additional features, the vehicle offers an optional sunroof for those who want to let in some natural light and air, as well as blind spot monitoring to bolster safety. The attractive and comfortable interior design is another highlight, ensuring that even though the car is compact, the cabin does not feel cramped for the driver and front passenger. The car's safety credentials are another area where it shines. With a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the car instills confidence in buyers looking for a vehicle that doesn't compromise on safety. Such accolades testify to Mazda's commitment to safety across its range. However, no car is without its downsides. For the Mazda 2, its cargo space is rather limited, which might pose a challenge for those who need to haul more goods. Additionally, the rear legroom is not particularly generous, which could be a concern for those who regularly carry rear passengers. Moreover, the lack of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay integration is a notable omission in today's connected world. In the cabin, the base model features a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, ensuring entertainment and connectivity on the go. Alongside this, drivers will find a rear-view camera to assist with parking and maneuvering, as well as a 6-speaker sound system for an enjoyable auditory experience. There's also an option to upgrade the infotainment to a larger 10.25-inch screen, coupled with a premium Bose sound system. With a base model dubbed Sport and an upper trim called Preferred, buyers have some level of choice in customizing their Mazda 2 according to their preferences. The preferred trim, being the more upscale option, offers additional features and enhancements over the Sport model for those willing to spend a bit more for extra luxuries. In terms of pricing, the starting manufacturer's suggested retail price for the Sport trim is $18,700. As is customary, opting for the preferred trim or adding optional features will increase the price. It is worth noting that the car offers good value for money, particularly for buyers prioritizing style, fuel efficiency, and a fun driving experience. The iteration of the Mazda 2 makes a strong case for itself within the subcompact car segment. With its combination of an engaging driving experience, fuel efficiency, a stylish design, and high safety ratings, it is a compelling choice for many. However, those needing more cargo space, rear legroom, or extensive smartphone integration might want to explore other options. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.